In this video, I'm going to show you how to archive video on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Instagram and then hit on your profile icon to open up your profile. Now, there you can hit on some video among your posts, and there you can hit on this three dots icon and there select archive. Now that video was archived, you no more see it here among my posts. And now if I want to find that video that was archived, all I have to do is hit on this three lines icon and there select archive. Now there I got all my posts that was archived. I see that video here, and if I want to unarchive that post, I can hit on that, hit on three dots and there hit on show on profile. It disappeared from here, but now it's shown up again on my profile page. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.